We're going to show you here how to install and remove a SIM card in the Lil Tracker Kids GPS watch. So first thing you got to notice is that the SIM card has two sides, a metal side and just the plastic side. So what you want to do is you want to have the metal side pointed up, and you want to have the small side where it's cut out a little bit facing towards the watch. Open up the SIM card door over here and just slide it in. Again, metal side up and small side first. You want to make sure that the watch is powered off. Okay, and all you do is slide it all the way in until you hear a little click, and then you let go and it's in there good. Hold the button for 3 seconds and you should be good to go. Takes a couple of seconds and you'll see that over here you have reception. Now, to take the SIM card off, all you have to do is make sure the watch is powered out. Just take your thumbnail or a screwdriver and just push on the SIM card, and it's going to just pop right back out. And there you go.